Hello and welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. This is Reena. This video is especially for class 10 where I want to teach you about how to create table in HTML. HTML is used to create web page where we can insert our document information in the form of image, text, list, link and table. Today we will discuss how to create table in our web page. As you know that table is a collection of row and column where we can organize large amount of similar data in tabular form. It means a table consists of row and column. Row is horizontal rules and column creates by using the vertical rules. To create a table, we should use table tag. Table tag is a container tag which is used to create table in our web page. It contains different attributes and supporting tags to create a table in our web page. The table tag contains some other supporting tags like td tag, th tag and tr tag. Here, the td tag stands for table data, th tag stands for table header and tr tag stands for table row. All these four tags are container tags and contain different attributes to customize our web page and table in our web page. The table tag contains some attributes which makes our table more beautiful and arrange the content systematically. The attributes of table tags are listed below. First, border. Border attribute is used to create a physical border of all the row and columns in our table. It contains a numeric value which is used to show the thickness of border. Here according to this example you can see table border is equal to 3. It means the size of border is 3. Apart from this, table contains another attribute border color. This attribute used with table tag to show the border color of a table. This attribute contains a color name or color code as an attribute value. The below example shows that the table border is equal to 3, border color is equal to red. Instead of red, we can also use hash FF0000. This is the color code of red. Here there is an example to create a table with border and border color. We have given the title create table. After head tag, closing head tag, we are using body. Top margin is equal to 100, left margin is equal to 60. Table border is equal to 3 and border color is equal to red. Now we are inserting a row by using tr tag. In this row we are giving some headings like th r number, it means roll number, th name and th marks. It means it will display the heading roll number, name and marks, and by using the 3th we are creating 3 columns in our table. After inserting first row, we are going to close the first row and starting another row. Another row also contains tr tag and instead of th tag we are using td tag. td1 for roll number, td Sandeep for name and td 96 for marks. Similarly, we are using third row like td2 roll number, td Dheeraj name and td 95 marks. After inserting all these information in 3 different rows, we are going to close the table tag and then the body tag. When you will execute this program, we will get the output like this: roll number, name and marks. Below the roll number we will get 2 information 1 and 2. Below the name we will get Sandeep and Dheeraj, and below the marks we will get 96 and 95. The entire border should be in red color and the partition of border is also in red color with the size. Similarly, we can use it for some other table. Now another attribute of table tag. is busy color. This busy color is used to insert the background color of a table. In this given output you can see the table background looks like in green color. It means this color we can change by using the BG color attribute with table tag. Here we can see the example table border is equal to 3, BG color is equal to green. This BG color green is applied on entire table apart from the background of web page. The next attribute we are using cell padding. Cell padding means it is a blank space between a table content and the cell border. This cell padding also contain a numeric value as an attribute value, which we can see in the given example. Table border is equal to 3 and cell padding is equal to 10. It means the cell padding is the blank space between the cell content and the cell border. The next attribute is align. Align is used to set the alignment of the content within the cell. It can be left, right or center similar to other tags and other attributes. The next attribute we can use with table tag is cell spacing. This space is especially used to insert blank space between two cells of a table which is adjacent. This cell spacing also contains a numeric value as an attribute value. Here we can see the example. Table border is equal to 3 and cell spacing is equal to 4. The next attribute we can use with table is height and width. The height and width is used to set the size of a table. It also contains a numeric value in pixel or percentage. Here you can set the height and width in pixel value and percentage value, both of them. For this you can see the example. Table border is equal to 3, height is equal to 300 and width is equal to 400. It means there is no percentage sign. It means the attribute value of height and width is given in pixel. In the below example we can see TR height is equal to 80 and TR width is equal to 50%. Here 80 is in pixel and 50% is in percentage. So all these attributes we can use with our table tag. But there are some attributes we can also use with TR, TD and TH tag to format the particular row and particular column. Like border color and BG color, we can set it for particular row and particular cell also. For particular row we should use the attributes with TR tag and for particular column we should use both the attributes with TD tag. We can also set the alignment of a text in a particular cell by using the align attribute with TR and TD tag. For horizontal alignment we can use align and for vertical alignment we can use the V-align. Align contains the value in left, right and center, where V-align contains the value in top, middle and bottom. It is used to set the text in a particular cell with vertical and horizontal both the alignment. The next topic is merging of a cell. We can also merge the cell in our table by using two special attributes only used with TD tag. These two attributes are known as row span and col span. Here the col span stands for column merging and the row span stands for row merging. Both the attributes only used with TD tag. If we want to merge 4 columns, we should use TD col span 4. And if we want to merge 4 row, we should use TD row span 4. Similarly, we can use all these spanning with different spaces using the TD tag.